everybody, welcome back to Zorilita Plays with Resin, Part 7, The Rest of the Chocolate Experiment. Okay, so before I had mentioned that I'd only done these little bonbons and this little square, and it looked pretty darn good. So the rest of them, I had an experiment. See this top part? That was only about a third of the way down the thing. So I thought, what would happen if I put more resin underneath it? For the most part, it was okay, except if you see real close, the darker chocolate leached its way down the side of the silicone mold, so it kind of didn't really keep the layers very well on some of them. It still looks like a chocolate, and I could probably fix it with some gloss over the top. Not gonna throw it away. Same thing with this one. The orange was the top, but you can see where the lighter color resin totally leached up the side of the silicone mold. I'm wondering if I pressed it open too soon. I don't know, but it's not terrible. I can fix it. I could probably paint some more resin on top and change it. It's pretty cool. Looks like some white chocolate. This one's kind of a little different. I did 3 layers. The top was one color, then there's kind of a middle color, and then the bottom, and then it kind of did this marbling effect because I didn't wait between layers on the last 2 layers. Looks kind of interesting. I might do something like that again. And the final one, let's see, no, sorry, I have a few more. This one was the same thing. It was the dark chocolate on the top, but this lighter one just kind of leached. It really just, this one didn't work very well, but you know, it still looks like chocolate candy, right? It's okay. This one was the most successful because there's almost no leaching on the side. Oops. And it has that duotone kind of chocolate look to it. I like that one. And then I had to do one that was just like a lighter white chocolate kind of a color. It came out pretty good. So I think I really want to do more with these bonbons because I think they'd be more successful if I make them color and maybe get some fabric paint and then do a little drizzle on the top. That might be fun to play with. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do. If you like these videos, comment below and say, hey, these don't suck. That'd be awesome. Catch y'all later. Catch you on the sweet side.